I'm Kelly Dunn.
I'm John Shainman. Jay and Shannon have the night off. Thanks so much for staying with us. He came to South Florida to spotlight a hyperbaric medicine program in Boynton Beach. But talk of politics and a possible presidential run are what's making headlines out of a visit by former Speaker of the House, Newt Gingrich. News Channel 5's Jim Sackett joins us with what Mr. Gingrich had to say. Jim?
The Republican visited Bethesda Memorial Hospital to bring attention to innovations in wound care. Innovations, Gingrich says, could be undone if the future of the president's health care reform is allowed to fully go into effect.
A first-of-its-kind program helping patients battling chronic wounds is what brought Newt Gingrich to Boynton Beach. More than 6 million people in the country deal with wounds that take 30 days or more to heal. This hyperbaric healing program was established in 1996. The former Speaker of the House feels innovations in health care like this will be few and far between if the federal government takes more control of health care.
I think it's very important to keep the level of decentralization and the level of local autonomy needed so that smart people can get together and do smart things without having to convince some bureaucrat in Washington who may not have a clue.
Gingrich is very critical of the Obama administration and Congress, particularly on budget issues.
People in the United States have every reason to be angry at a big, expensive, sloppy federal government that is incompetent.
But Gingrich is coy about his own presidential aspirations, despite reports that he told Georgia Republicans this week that he plans to run. He told his South Florida host he has not made that decision yet.
To be a citizen leader shouldn't have to automatically mean you are or aren't a candidate. We need a national conversation at an adult level about very large-scale change. In terms of candidacy, Calista and I will make that decision at the end of February, which I've said routinely for 6 months, I think. And I'm happy to repeat it as often as I'm asked.
Should he run, Gingrich would be considered a front-runner for the GOP nomination, along with former Alaska Governor Sarah Palin, former Massachusetts Governor Mitt Romney, and former Arkansas Governor Mike Huckabee. No one has yet made any official announcements. Jim Sackett, WPTV, News Channel 5.